I can wash my face. I can wash my face. I can comb my hair. I can comb my hair. I can draw a tree. I can draw a tree. I can learn new things. I can learn new things. I can make my bed. I can make my bed. I can send a message. I can send a message. I can take a rest. I can take a rest. I can finish my homework. I can finish my homework. I can draw a cat. I can draw a cat. I can feed the birds. I can feed the birds. I can walk with my friend. I can walk with my friend. I can listen carefully. I can listen carefully. I can follow the rules. I can follow the rules. I can wash the car. I can wash the car. I can jump rope. I can jump rope. I can take a picture. I can take a picture. I can answer correctly. I can answer correctly. I can travel by bus. I can travel by bus. I can draw a sun. I can draw a sun. I can make a sandwich. I can make a sandwich. I can run very fast. I can run very fast. I can jump over a small rock. I can jump over a small rock. I can fix my pencil. I can fix my pencil. I can help my teacher. I can help my teacher. I can draw a dog. I can draw a dog. I can cut paper. I can cut paper. I can make my lunch. I can make my lunch. I can walk quietly. I can walk quietly. I can open my bag. I can open my bag. I can close my notebook. I can close my notebook. I can wash my cup. I can wash my cup. I can climb the stairs. I can climb the stairs. I can turn on the light. I can turn on the light. I can turn off the fan. I can turn off the fan. I can throw the ball. I can throw the ball. I can catch the ball. I can catch the ball. I can fix my toys. I can fix my toys. I can buy a pen. I can buy a pen. I can read the time. I can read the time. I can sing loudly. I can sing loudly.